You know who doesn't get enough credit for being the first person to make left field albums? Being genre bending albums. Like albums where they're taking a complete departure from what everyone knows them for. When you think of albums like that in rap, you think of 808s and Heartbreaks, you think of Igor by Tyler the Creator, you think of The Love Below by Andre 3000. You don't really think about Common's Electric Circus. You don't think about this album right here. You don't think about Electric Circus. We'll go to say this came out in 2002, and he caught a lot of flack for this. People were like, "What is this? This isn't even hip hop. Like, what are you doing?" Like, they knew him for neo soul, and then when he put out this album, it's like as close as you could get to Jimi Hendrix while being a rapper. That's what this album was. This album was very creative, actually. It was produced by Questlove, Pharrell, and the way that each track flowed into each other was like one of the coolest things to see. And I don't think this album gets enough credit. Like a lot of the sounds you hear on here, you would have heard in the 2010s when rappers were doing collabs with a lot of indie artists. He has a record on there that's like that. You've never heard Common rap aggressively. He's rapping really, really aggressive on this. Doing so many different sounds on this record. He's going in all different directions. He went left field on this album. And a lot of people didn't like this album. But he did it. Then what did he do after this album? Linked up with Kanye and he made probably one of his best albums. B. But I'm not going to lie. He deserves credit for setting the trend for rappers who want to do an album that is a complete departure from what you know them for.